Christmas is right around the corner. It's a great day to dress your best and look fabulous. Cross-dressing for Christmas can be a fun and freeing experience, if you are able to do so. And with so many cute outfits for Christmas, there is something for everyone. So let's put together a Christmas party outfit that you'll love. Opt for festive colors and lots of sparkles. There are so many cute outfits for Christmas that your options can go from glamorous to laid back, depending on your mood or the holiday event you will be attending. Your Christmas outfit should be full of color and shine, just like your tree. Colors to go for would be reds, golds, and silver. Lovely rich dark colors like emerald green or royal blue are also great options for a festive outfit. If you're looking to add some pizzazz to your outfit, sequins are also a great choice. You could even opt for sparkly tights with a cute dress to jazz things up a bit. We always love our crushed velvet fit, and flare dress as a holiday go-to as it can fit in either a casual or more upscale Christmas party. A black sequin mini dress is also a perfect go-to that can make you stand out in any situation. If you are looking for casual Christmas outfits, try some black or red leggings and an oversized sweater. Maybe even go with a trendy ugly sweater and have your friends roll their eyes while you bask in the attention. Remember, the uglier the better. Christmas fashion with a little edge. If you're more of a wild girl who likes to add a little spice to your outfits, and since many of us will be spending our Christmas at home this year, now is a good time to go for it. Trying a sexy outfit for after dinner for that private party with your significant other, or for yourself can be a lot of fun. A great dress that can start out at a quiet dinner, for two that can also move into the bedroom, for dessert is the cutout lane mini dress. So sexy. Stick with the appropriate seasonal colors, and try out a red satin waist cincher or even a full corset for an elegant and classy look. It is Christmas after all, so treat yourself. The red stretch halter mini dress is another hot number that has the festive colors along with a sexy look that will turn heads for sure. Find something that fits your personality that also adds that holiday flair, and you'll be sure to have fun in whatever it is you choose. Also, don't forget to accessorize. As with any outfit on any given day, it is always good to accessorize. Accessories are the perfect accompaniment to really bring an outfit to life, and will definitely add something extra to your Christmas outfit. If you're aiming for a classy look, long gloves can finish off a party frock beautifully. You can also try things like sparkly lashes, or some shiny costume jewelry. If you're looking for a more understated look, you can go with a rhinestone bracelet, or oversized earrings. A simple rhinestone necklace is a great addition to a more casual outfit. No matter the outfit, you can also never go wrong with some pearl clip-on earrings. We hope these Christmas fashion tips will help you put together that perfect festive outfit, where you can celebrate and look fantastic doing so. We hope everyone has a great holiday season.
Finally, a little request to you. Share this video if this video really helps you to find any solution of your life. All we believe sharing is caring, as well as you can help your friends to change their life by sharing this video. We also believe liking the video doesn't make any difference, but it inspires us to provide better quality and content. We will consider the amount of like as we helped those people at least. Which type or topic video you are willing to see in the next video? Let us know in the comment below. Because helping you is our main intention. The next video will be published next week. Subscribe and get connected with us to get many of these types of videos. More wisdom. More solutions. Better life.